So as you can see, this Jeep is done now. In this video series, I'm going to show you the application of this cast vinyl camo wrap. It's made by Gregory's Incorporated, Buhler, Kansas. The pattern is God's Country Late Season. I started out with a 48-inch by 26-foot roll, and I used about every bit of it. I have a few little pieces left, but otherwise I used it. So hopefully at the end of this video you'll be able to apply your own camo wrap to your Jeep. Okay, as you recall, I cut this 24 inches wide, and if I continued it straight on across, then I wouldn't have enough to curve over and do that front fender all in one piece. So right here there's a tree, and I cut it right at that tree, and then when I splice in, you'll never ever see the splice. And I'll show you how that's done. So let's get this put on. Remember how I said you can pull it back and get a spot out? That's exactly what I did. And then you just work it little by little, you know. There's no hurry. Just tiny bit. Now if you get this decal twisted, then you got a problem. You have to heat it up or do something to get it, otherwise it'll just make a wrinkle right there. So let's heat this up. Okay, so now should be able to just pull those out just like that. Just go all the way up. Kind of pull it back. Get yourself straightened out. Just keep working it. Alright, so here's what we've done so far. Get out of the light here. So we've wrapped back to here. And then I'll show you how to splice in up here. So I told you how to hide a splice. So what you do is you don't cut a straight line. You cut it like this, and you know, and if you do that, your splice is going to be hid away. So now I'm going to, by raising it up, I'll have enough to wrap that fender up front. But I need enough. Let me see. Let's see here. I need to catch the bottom of that fender and yet wrap around. That should just about do it. That should do it. Now I'm going to tape it and do a final inspection. Alright, so I'm going to work this out. Okay, I'm gonna go back here as far as my paper is and then work on this. See, when you heat that up, it stretches and really makes it a lot.
Really does a good job of stretching.
Yeah. Yeah. See, we're almost where we're making that bend all together. That's what we got to do. Get that pushed back in there.
Squeegee help you?
Yeah. All right, so I think, let's see here. What do we got? We got a, see there's a little raise. They put just enough of those in here to screw up everything. Okay. Got around that.
Be careful that that's folded over right there.
Here?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
No, it'll come loose. Hold on to it. Yeah, that's why that's what makes this decal. If you're putting this on, see it's positional, so you can touch it down, pull it up. Yeah.
Not like your normal sign.
No, not like regular sign decal, which is a whole nother issue if you touch it down. There we go. Yeah, there again, see the hood's gonna be down over all that. Whew, okay. Now, there, right there. heat it up a little bit there, Nick. Sometimes what happens is you get air in there. See, if you just poke that, boop, now you can push that out of there. Yep. Spot like that fender flare is going to bolt in there and cover that. You have an air bubble? Looks like you do.